How did I first met Wawel Romero? First of all, I met Wawel Romero in Trinoma. I've been there in Trinoma way back 2011, I guess, after closing program of CDIFI. I saw Wawel, but Wawel is my good friend. She is not really my enemy. That time, I make enemies with Wawel Romero in 2025. Oh, but this time, I'm no longer to make enemies with Wawel. Oh, it's the end of 2025. It's my new year. It's beginning of new year. But the time when I first met Wawel Romero, in the first place, when I was there in CDIFI, she was my schoolmate. She was my good friend. Somehow, I remember Wawel Romero. She invited me in a Facebook group page. She always liked my posts when I was in Hong Kong. I respect her. But Wawel never liked my Facebook post when I was there in Japan in 2019. So I never heard if Wawel Romero will be travel there in Japan. If she knows it, she knows she never been travel in Hong Kong. But she will travel there in Japan. I hope if I tell to Wawel Romero, if you visit Japan, you try Nagoya, Tokyo, and Osaka. And not even just that, she must try Fukuoka. That's always to do. I remember I tell to Larry Chuanico when I talked with Denzel Joshua last night. Um, he has to travel there Fukuoka. I asked Larry Chuanico. Larry Chuanico should travel there Fukuoka. But I asked Denzel, how did he travel there in Japan? I'm asking to Denzel about Larry Chuanico. He traveled there in Japan for third times or second times. He been second time he been there in Japan. But me, six times. I've been there in Japan. But the time I met, I realized I've been there in Japan many times. So we are going to Batangas right now. We will have a reunion with Ate Hana and especially Mommy Ellen. Mommy Ellen Ulea is not really my friend in Facebook, but it's time to have a reunion. It's a New Year Day celebration, especially for Nanay Ningning.